When cabin heat suddenly disappears, the problem is often hidden deep inside the cooling system where buildup restricts proper flow. This adjustable pressure industrial spray gun is designed to make heater core flushing simpler, safer, and more effective without specialized shop equipment. It offers a practical solution for vehicle owners who want to restore heating performance before considering costly part replacements. The stepped tip design fits 1/2 inch, 5/8 inch, and 3/4 inch hose fittings, making it compatible with a wide range of vehicles and cooling system hoses. This flexibility allows you to connect quickly and securely, reducing setup time and frustration. The spray gun attaches directly to a standard garden hose, turning everyday water pressure into a controlled flushing tool suitable for automotive use. Water flow and pressure can be adjusted easily with one hand by squeezing the heavy-duty handle. This gives you precise control during the flushing process, helping dislodge debris, sediment, and buildup without overwhelming delicate components. The insulated handle adds an extra layer of safety, protecting your hand when hot water is used to flush the cooling system more effectively. Designed for durability and ease of use, this spray gun is ideal for back-flushing heater cores, radiators, and other cooling system components. It allows you to address restricted flow issues that often cause weak or non-existent heat inside the vehicle. With proper use, it can help restore normal coolant circulation and improve overall heating performance. If you are dealing with a no-heat or low-heat issue, this tool offers a straightforward and economical first step before replacing major components. Check the product link in the video description to learn more and get yours today. Subscribe to the channel to discover more practical automotive tools that help you solve problems efficiently and keep your vehicle running comfortably.